Welcome to Rich Roadmap. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of passive income, a game changer for your financial future.
Imagine earning money while you sleep, travel, or spend time with your loved ones. Sounds like a dream, right? That's the power of passive income. Let's kick things off with one of the most popular passive income streams, investing in stocks and bonds. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Investing? That's for Wall Street gurus, not me. But trust me, it's not as complicated or intimidating as it seems. You can start investing with a small amount of money, even as little as $5 a day. That's right. The cost of your daily coffee could be your ticket to building long-term wealth. The key is to start early and let the power of compound interest work its magic. Think of compound interest like a snowball effect. As you invest consistently, your money earns interest. But here's the exciting part. That interest then earns interest itself, and so on. Over time, even small contributions can grow exponentially. Now, before you jump in head first, it's crucial to diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your money across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. This helps mitigate risk and protect your portfolio from market fluctuations. One of the easiest ways to get started with investing is through low-cost index funds. These funds track a specific market index, like the S&P 500, providing instant diversification and minimizing risk. Another option is to explore dividend-paying stocks. These companies distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders, providing you with a steady stream of passive income. It's like getting paid to own a piece of a successful business. Remember, investing does come with risks, and the value of your investments can fluctuate. However, by adopting a long-term perspective, diversifying your portfolio, and doing your research, you can minimize risks and set yourself up for financial success. There are tons of resources available to help you get started with investing. You can find educational videos, articles, and even online courses that break down complex financial concepts into easy-to-understand terms. Don't let fear or lack of knowledge hold you back from building a brighter financial future. Start small, invest consistently, and watch your money grow over time. In the next chapter, we'll explore another exciting avenue for passive income real estate rentals. Stay tuned. Now let's talk about real estate, a tangible asset that has the potential to generate significant passive income. Becoming a landlord might seem daunting at first, but with the right knowledge and strategies, it can be a lucrative endeavor. The key to successful real estate investing is finding profitable rental properties. Look for properties in desirable locations with strong rental demand. Consider factors like proximity to amenities, schools, and transportation hubs. Once you've secured a property, effective property management is crucial. This involves handling tenant screening, rent collection, maintenance requests, and ensuring the property remains in good condition. You can choose to manage the property yourself or hire a property management company to handle the day-to-day operations. While self-managing can save you money, it also requires more time and effort. Another option for generating passive income through real estate is through REITs, or real estate investment trusts. REITs allow you to invest in a portfolio of income-producing properties without the hassle of direct ownership. By investing in REITs, you can gain exposure to the real estate market and potentially earn dividends without the responsibilities of being a landlord. Remember, real estate investing, like any investment, comes with its own set of risks. Market fluctuations, property vacancies, and unexpected repairs can impact your returns. However, by conducting thorough research, understanding the local market, and having a solid financial plan, you can mitigate these risks and unlock the passive income potential of real estate. In the next chapter, we'll delve into the world of digital products and explore how you can create and sell products that generate passive income online. Stay tuned. Now let's dive into the exciting world of digital products, a goldmine for passive income potential. Imagine creating a valuable product once and selling it over and over again without any additional effort. That's the beauty of digital products. The first step is to identify a market need. What problems are people facing, and how can you solve them with your expertise? Whether it's creating online courses, ebooks, templates, or software, the possibilities are endless. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to create high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Invest in creating professional-looking products that are informative, engaging, and easy to consume. You can sell your digital products through various online platforms like your own website, online marketplaces like Etsy or Udemy, or social media channels. The key to maximizing your earnings is to create a sales funnel that converts leads into paying customers. This involves driving traffic to your product page, building an email list, and nurturing relationships with potential buyers. One of the best things about digital products is that they have low overhead costs. Once you've created the product, the cost of selling additional copies is minimal, allowing you to scale your earnings exponentially. Another advantage is that you can automate the entire sales process. From delivering the product to processing payments, everything can be done automatically, freeing up your time to focus on other income-generating activities. Creating digital products requires an upfront investment of time and effort. However, the potential for passive income and the ability to reach a global audience make it a worthwhile endeavor. In the next chapter, we'll explore the world of peer-to-peer lending and how you can earn passive income by lending your money to others. Stay tuned. Now let's explore a lesser-known but potentially lucrative passive income stream: peer-to-peer lending. In simple terms, it's like becoming a bank and lending your money to borrowers in exchange for interest payments. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper connect borrowers with investors, cutting out the traditional financial institutions and offering potentially higher returns for both parties. As an investor, you can browse through loan listings, assess risk profiles, and choose to fund loans that align with your investment criteria. The key to successful peer-to-peer lending is to diversify your investments across multiple loans. This helps mitigate risk by spreading your capital across different borrowers and loan types. While peer-to-peer lending can offer attractive returns, it's important to remember that it does come with risks. Borrowers may default on their loans, leading to potential losses for investors. Before investing, carefully review the platform's risk assessment process. Understand the loan terms and conditions, and consider your own risk tolerance. Peer-to-peer lending can be a great way to diversify your investment portfolio and potentially earn higher returns than traditional savings accounts or bonds. However, it's crucial to approach it with caution, conduct thorough research, and invest only what you can afford to lose. In the next chapter, we'll explore the world of affiliate marketing and how you can earn passive income by promoting products and services you love. Stay tuned. Finally, let's talk about affiliate marketing, a powerful strategy to generate passive income by promoting products and services you believe in. It's like becoming a brand ambassador and earning commissions for every sale you drive. The first step is to choose the right products or services to promote. Ideally, these should be products you genuinely use and recommend, aligning with your niche and audience. Once you've identified your niche, join affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or CJ Affiliate, where you can find a wide range of products to promote. Next, create valuable content that showcases the benefits of the products or services you're promoting. This could be in the form of blog posts, social media updates, email marketing campaigns, or even video reviews. The key to successful affiliate marketing is to provide genuine value to your audience. Don't just focus on making a sale. Instead, focus on building trust and credibility by providing helpful information and recommendations. Transparency is crucial in affiliate marketing. Disclose your affiliate relationships upfront to maintain trust with your audience and comply with advertising regulations. Another important aspect is to track your results and analyze your performance. Use analytics tools to identify which products are performing well and which marketing channels are driving the most conversions. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative passive income stream, allowing you to earn commissions while promoting products you love. However, it requires effort, consistency, and a strategic approach. By choosing the right products, creating valuable content, and building trust with your audience, you can unlock the earning potential of affiliate marketing. Congratulations! You've now been introduced to 5 powerful strategies to unlock your financial freedom through passive income. Remember, building multiple streams of passive income takes time, effort, and consistency. Start by choosing 1 or 2 strategies that resonate with you and gradually expand your portfolio. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn from your experiences, and adapt your approach along the way. These steps will set you on the path to creating passive income. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into specific strategies for each type of passive income, providing you with detailed guidance to maximize your earnings. Don't miss out! Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when our next video is live. Thanks for watching.